Hi, I'm Stuart from SOB Lead Works. Welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, we've got this rather large gutter to lead. I don't think I've come across a gutter that's so wide, if I'm honest. It's huge, this thing. I did say to the builder, really, the best way to do it would be with steps. But trouble is, because of how wide it is, by the time you get to the highest point, I think the flat area would be so big. And he'd already constructed it like this, so he said, oh, I think I'm going to stick with this, but he wants to keep it with lead. So what we're going to have to do is use T-Pren expansion joint. I'll have to work out exactly how many pieces there are to make sure it's well within the size. So they've put this roofing felt on for the moment just to keep things in the dry. So I think the first thing we'll do, I've already started now, is just started to strip this off so we can just see the ply underneath, just make sure there's no nails or anything proud. Once we've done that, we can get some building paper on here, start setting out some bays. So looks like it's just going to discharge out that front there. It's like the ply's just all been left long at the moment, so I should imagine what I'll have to do for the lead is just leave that long as well until it's been slated and stuff. So we will start from this end. I'll have to work out where the middle is. I think I can see it here actually. Look, yeah. I will get a tape measure on there just to check, but looks like that is the middle, so it's falling both ways. And we have, by the looks of things, yep, a little outlet at this end as well. What's going on here then? Oh boy. Right, it looks like someone's put a fiberglass outlet in there, but that is way too high. We have to get that filed down because by the time we get the thickness of the weld as well, that is going to have water puddling in there before it can get out the outlet. So we'll have to get that filed down. That label is not high enough there either, so we'll have to get that sorted out. So they've put a temporary bit of tilt on there. Ooh, I don't quite know what's going on with that at the moment as well. So I think definitely for now, because I'm here on my own today, there's no other people working, so I can't ask the builder what he wants out the front here for now. So I think what we'll do, we'll start at the other end. That's definitely the easier end to start with. So we'll carry on getting this all stripped off. Make sure there's no nails or screws proud on the ply. Get some building paper on there. Start setting out some bays. Okay, so that's all that building paper in place now. Also, I've just gone along working there, all these expansion joints are going to go. There's going to be quite a few of them in here. So now we've got everything all set out. I'm just starting now to get the lead in. I've got this first one in now. I've just welded this first expansion on. So what I'm going to do now is get the next piece in, weld that onto there, just start working my way through. Okay, so we're making some good progress with these bays. We're up to about the halfway point now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that there. What I'm going to do now is start concentrating on getting this gutter bay in, and then we can start working back through from the other side. So I've just put some building paper in there. That's ready to roll. I've just knocked that bay up as well. It's so wide, it's just like struggled for anywhere actually wide enough to actually knock this bay up. So what I've actually done is I've just rolled it on the roof. I thought that was probably the easiest way of doing it, even though it's at a slight angle. So that's knocked up now, ready to roll. So we'll get this bay in there, get that all welded, then we can start looking at getting this outlet welded on there. And what we'll do, just come back through from this front, meet up to the middle there. Okay, so that's that bay in there now and all welded up. I've just cut out this outlet as well. I'm just in the process now of making the spigot to go into it. So what I've done is I've just round my gas bottle wrapped a piece of lead quite loosely, because that's giving quite a bit of clearance, but a 110 soil pipe is too much. So just wrapped it round loosely, and I've just welded that up there, and I've just tried that. That's goes in better the other way. Let's have a look. Yeah, there we go. go, so that goes in quite nicely. So take that back out again. What I'm going to do now is just get my bossing mallet and just knock a 20mm flange all the way around there. Then we can slide that back in and weld that together. Okay, so that's the outlet welded in now. So what I'm going to do now is start getting some more bays in from this front edge, start working back to the middle. Okay, so I've just finished putting all these bays in now. Just welded up this last expansion joint here. So that's all those bays in and all welded. I can't believe how much welding's on this, it's unreal. Literally, like every metre we go back, we've got 3 metres of welding for each expansion joint. And there's 9 expansion joints on this, so there's so much welding. Yeah, I think I've definitely gone through some gas doing this one. So anyway, that's all these bays in now. Also, what I've just finished is this front as well. So the slaters want to start coming through here now. It's already made a good start on that, as you can see. So I just had to weld a ear on there, and there was a little gusset out the front there. Just hop down. So that's that front edge all finished now. So I think the roofers are going to come in and start slating this through. So the only thing left to do now is the last end. Just need to cut and weld a couple of gussets in here. Dress this down into this bay. Just weld a couple of gussets in. So I'm going to get this done next. Okay, so that's those gussets welded in now. So that is all finished. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SLB Leadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.